Honeywell Apex systems feature many different types of flight plans. Each type of flight plan has a specific function and is named accordingly. The types of flight plans available are pending, active, alternate, secondary, stored, and off-aircraft. Whenever a change or an addition is made to a flight plan, it is entered into the pending flight plan. Waypoints in the pending flight plan are displayed in the waypoint list and on the iNav map in cyan. Pending flight plans must be activated before they can be flown by the aircraft. Activating a pending flight plan places it into the active flight plan. Waypoints in the active flight plan are shown in white and will be flown by the aircraft when commanded to do so. The alternate flight plan is the segment of the active flight plan that contains the route between the destination airport and the optional alternate airport if one is entered. The alternate flight plan portion is separated from the active flight plan by a line in the waypoint list window labeled Alternate Flight Plan. Secondary flight plans contain a flight plan route in addition to the active flight plan. Secondary flight plans are shown on the iNav map with a dotted white line. The label Secondary is displayed in the waypoint list window when viewing a secondary flight plan. Secondary flight plans can be created at any time in flight or on the ground and can be used to evaluate changes to the active flight plan prior to activation, to change the destination while en route, or to enter the next leg of a trip ahead of time. Stored flight plans are flight plans that are created and saved in the aircraft custom database. Stored flight plans can be reviewed and selected from the Stored Flight Plan list in the Flight Plan window. Stored flight plans do not contain SIDs, stars, approaches, missed approaches, or temporary waypoints. Off-aircraft flight plans are created using tools such as Primus Apex or Honeywell's Global Data Center app. They can be transferred to the aircraft using an SD card or via an aircraft Wi-Fi network if one is installed. The flight plans can be downloaded and then retrieved from the Flight Plan Source drop-down menu.